Hello everybody, welcome back for more Tunic. Sorry that I'm probably like a day or two behind on the recordings. I am still a little bit unwell, so if you hear any coughing or whatever midstream, that's also why. So I'm just gonna, apologize in advance. So, last time we beat the librarian, and this time we know that the last one... So, okay, where does this take me now? Because it doesn't take me back there, does it? It takes me somewhere else. Off, on. Oh my god, so I didn't need to walk all that way? Oh, I'm stupid. Oh well, it's fine. Can't win them all, you know. Sometimes I'm just big dumb. Okay. Now, we haven't unlocked this one yet. Now, we do have a map of where they all are. Somewhere. Not yet. Not yet. Even if you're feeling brave, only ghosts permitted to enter the inner grounds. So we haven't been there yet either. I'm assuming that's in the graveyard. Possibly. No, it's the swamp, the old burying ground, which sounds like the graveyard. Okay. Okay, so this is one that goes to the west garden. But yeah, I remember seeing us not being able to access that one. We've got the ruined atoll, the starting zone. Now see, there's still that weird line off the sword one. Unless it's not off the sword one. And instead, it's here? Okay, I thought I was being absolutely giga brain for a second there. Turns out I'm just continuing to be regular brain. Let's go here. Ooh, quick puppy scan. Not quite sure where she is. So we're at the ruined atoll. Can we go back this way? Not really. Okay. We need to find the graveyard. Now, we have accessed the graveyard before. Oh, I think I remember where it is, actually. Hold on. I'm pretty sure if we go back to the main area, it was along the beach at the far bottom right. Okay, I'm just gonna get back there. Okay, so. I don't remember if I've been here before, but down here, I found that there's another doorway. So, have I been here before? Or is this the cube room? Oh no, this is the weird invisible room. Does anything happen if I do this? That's a negative. Okay. Either way, we're basically where I wanted to be. So you guys can just tag along for the last leg of the journey. So I'm pretty sure that from memory, it was not over here at all. I still don't know what these golden things do. That one doesn't do nothing. Okay, and I was wrong. I'm at the wrong side. Yeah. I need to be over the far right. I'll be back. I believe I am back where I wanted to be. Now, I'm pretty sure if I just walk through here, it should be... Yeah, this is Graveyard Town. Okay. Now, there's got to be something around here. Like, we definitely need to figure out how to activate that statue. That's a thing that needs to be done. Yeah, old burying ground. Now, we didn't really hang around here for very long because the place was goddamn terrifying. So, this time, let's try to be a bit more thorough. And let's try to mute my phone. My good friend Matt just bought himself a new bike. So he is telling everyone. Also, we killed those guys pretty quick. I'm quite pleased with that. But... whoop, there's the Grim Reaper. There's 2 Grim Reapers. Okay, there's the closed off church thingy. We may need to figure out the puzzle of how to activate power to this zone before we can actually do anything here. Yeah, that's just a chest. Maybe we were more thorough than I thought. Because I'm pretty sure to go to the mines, we need to find the gas mask. Now, I don't know that for sure. That is very much so the impression that I get. Okay, could you not? Okay, I was definitely hitting the shield button there, but that's fine. And of course, they just mess up in the water. Hello, Miss Jaffles. How are you doing this fine day? There's nothing down here. You guys aren't gonna help me. Unless you are. Oh no! Heal. Again. What happens if I grapple you? Wrong button. This one. Okay, it just brings you to me. Nothing exciting. Come back. Another. Boom, boom, boom. Anything here? Can I drop off this ledge? I need to figure out how to get to those other notes as well, because there are notes in the water and stuff. And we did drop off a ledge once before. And I don't know how to get up there. Is there like a hidden ladder back here, maybe? It doesn't appear to be. And look, see, there's another friggin' thing there. And it looks like maybe I can get a jump? What's this one? Is this the cube? No, this is Strange Town. I vaguely remember you. How do I open up my thing? Back? Nope. Every button does the same freaking thing in this game. It's that one. Okay, let's try throwing some ice. Negative. Oh yeah, someone wanted me to throw the fox at the merchant. So I'll give that a crack. I feel like the big puzzle I need to solve at the moment is this thing. What do I do with these things? Because they're everywhere. Maybe I should just tough it out and go into the Forbidden Pass. Oh wait, hold on. Is there like a hint on the map? No. So right in the middle of that pool of water there, there's another one of those stupid freaking thingamajigs. But there doesn't appear to be anything there. Dark Tomb, Mountain Door, the Sealed Temple. I don't think we've been in Weird Skullmouth yet either. Let's walk up to Weird Skullmouth. Get out of here. Now, I think it said there was something around here too. Aha. Oh, that's just how I get that treasure that I've already gotten. Okay. So there's nothing else here on the map, right? No. It's just this ladder here. Okay. Do you have anything? You might. I have not quite written down how to learn the language yet. I'll be real with you, I don't know if I will. It seems very complicated. Especially seeing as, like, you only get little bits and pieces. I started learning a little bit of the... what's it called? Fez. The Fez one. But the Fez one is a bit more explicit in its teaching you of the language. And I know that this is a full-on language that you can learn. I know this to be true. Search your feelings. And what? Didn't I open up a shortcut around here somewhere? Maybe. Hello, fox gods. Yep, 3 somethings. Yes, hello, Jaffa. We have placed 2 somethings. But we do not have the 3rd. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to go back to the mines. Now, from memory, there was a way to get to the mines from in here. Or was it from the mountain peaks? It was around here somewhere. Hello, Fox God. Oh. Ah, ladder. Okay, I was thinking, what the heck? Die. Thank you. I'll take your money. Nothing here is really helpful. Where am I? Oh, I'm over by the mountain pass. No, I'm not. I'm over by the statue. These little resonators. And this goddamn symbol again. Don't do nothing. It just don't do nothing. See, and it makes me think that maybe it's something to do with... Is there one of these with this symbol on it? No, okay. Give me back my thing. Give me my thing. Yeah, so these reflect these, but I think everything reflects these just about. Or maybe not. I don't know. There's definitely something going on here, though. And I don't know what it is. And it infuriates me. So this is the mountain pass. Yeah, I know. You guys are big spooky whatevers. Get out of here. Did we fully explore this area back here? Ooh. Thank you. Lots of money at least, which is good because, you know, we're a little bit short and we got a lot of upgrades that we can buy at the moment. Thank you for the health. Is there anything this way? Yes. Oh, this is just a shortcut to back here. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, whatever. You can do what you want. Okay, that just takes me to there. Get over here. No loot for that guy, but you know, it happens. Because this is a big old area. Wait a minute. It's a thing. It's not an important thing, unfortunately. Okay, what's in the box? It's a lot of money. Money's nice. Open up my inventory again. Give me these back. White flowers. Did this accomplish anything? It might have. Is there something else over here? No, it's just like a light ray. Okay, that's fine. A lone enemy. I got him. I feel like I messed up. Maybe I was supposed to grab him? Maybe there was some kind of hint over here. for a puzzle. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna need to come back to this weird waterfall cave after resetting the enemies. But we found something. And it's a waterfall secret, which is my favorite kind. Okay, this was what? Forest Fortress, right. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, with all these shortcuts, it won't be too bad to go back and reset that guy. Okay, let's go back, reset him, and see if we can figure something out. Yeah, it's like right here. Because he seems to be walking in a very specific pattern. God damn it, give me a text document. So look, he's never walking on the actual tiles. He's walking between them. This is definitely some kind of puzzle. And I can't grab him. Oh, I'm up high. Okay, what about now? Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I'll remember this for later on. But for right now, it doesn't really help me. For now, we just need to get up the mountain. And then head back into the scary place. Which I don't really want to be at, but... Ow, ow. Ow. Could you not for like 2 seconds, please? Yup. Gotcha. Okay, so... Was it up a bit? It may have been up a bit. I don't know if this is going to be the fastest way to get there. Running up through the snow. But I do love the snow zone. It's very pretty. Is there something back there? What about now? Huh? No, there's not. Okay. Always good to check. What about around here? Anything around here? Nope. Okay. No siree, Bob. Okay, nothing there. Around this way? Yeah, this is how we got into the mines. Okay. Now the problem though is that we never found a statue. Wait, secret? Nope, no secret. Wait, these are just... No, they're not just bushes. Okay, I was gonna say, if these are just bushes... Nope, okay, they are very strong. Hopefully around here there will be a fox god statue for us. There's one right there. Where does this go? Have I already done this? Okay, so that is a shortcut back to that. Once we unlock whatever that is. But for now, the goal is definitely to just get to the fox statue. Which, as I go further and further away from it, is beginning to look more and more difficult. Is there a way I can, like... Yep, down into the quarry we go. Oh, and there goes my max health. Ow. Aha, okay, hold on. We're back out. We just need to figure out how to get up. They explode. Right. Red explosive. Checks out. Wait, is this a ladder? It is, but we don't have it unlocked. What if we go down this way? Okay, there's a bridge there. There's also a lot of guys there. Wait, what's this? Free chest. Nice. Oh, I can go down too. Wait, was there anything up? No, okay. Hold on, this may be good. Potentially. Around this way. Hey, could you be a gas mask for me? Ah, there's the pillar thingy. Looks very bad. Okay, I mean, well, I appreciate that. So the problem, though, is that I'm gonna need to run through the entire snow if I die again. Which I don't particularly wish to do. Any secrets here? Doesn't look like it. Alrighty then. Just gotta take things one step at a time here. Not great. Not a great first step. God, it's gonna be such a run back. Such a run back. Maybe I can go fix the other fox god statue. But even that's going to be a hell of a run back. Because it's all the way up at the Forbidden Pass, and this is still going to be the nearest fox god. Well, what if we... Can we take that, like, upper path next to the Dark Tomb? Okay, let's try that, because we have a shortcut to there through, where is it, here? Yeah. And of course there's that stupid freaking door that I can't get through in that cave there, still. Anything behind this waterfall? What was this one? This one was the weird... thingamajig. Blah, 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 blah. Maybe there is like a translator's page. Okay, I guess for now, thank you all for watching. And we're going to try to do the quarry next time. Bye-bye.